Find smaller area enclosed by the circle enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 and the line x plus y equal to 2. So let us discuss solution. Find the smaller area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to 4, that is circle with center 0, 0 and radius 2. Circle with center 0, 0 and radius 2. With line x plus y equal to 2. So x axis, y axis, this is the line x plus y equal to 2 and this is circle x square plus y square equal to 4 and we have to find smaller area. So smaller area this is the smaller area. We have to get area of this portion. Area of this portion. So it is intersection of circle with straight line x plus y equal to 2. So when we find coordinates here a2, 0, b 0, 2. So two curves intersect each other. Say y equal to f1x and y equal to f2x. Two curves intersect each other into x equal to a, x equal to b. Then area of this portion is given by a to b f1x minus f2x dx. So we will use this property to find the area. So required area A equal to mod I A to B f1x minus f2x dx. According to this, limit will be 0 to 2. Limit here x 0 comma 0, so limit will be 0 to 2. f1x, y as a function of x, so from upper portion, that is it is a portion of circle, so from the equation of circle, y square equal to 4 minus x square, y equal to plus minus under root 4 minus x square. In first quadrant we will take y positive, so under root 4 minus x square minus y equal to f2x, so y is a function of x, so from this straight line y is a function of x, so x plus y equal to 2, and therefore y equal to 2 minus x, so this is 2 minus x. So limit 0 to 2. So as usual, now this is regular definite integral, so x by 2 under root 4 minus x square plus a square by 2, that is 4 by 2 sine inverse x by a, so x by 2 minus 2x minus minus plus integration x square by 2 limit 0 to 2. So first put upper limit. So in the case of upper or lower limit, this term will be 0, because if we put x equal to 2, 4 minus 4, it is 0. In the case of lower limit, x is 0, so this is 2 sine inverse, first put x equal to 2, sine inverse 2 by 2, 1 minus put x equal to 2 plus x square, 4 square by 2. In the case of lower limit, it will be 0, so this is 2 sine inverse 1 pi by 2 plus 2 minus 4 minus 2, so answer will be pi minus 2 square unit. So simplification, it will be pi minus 2 square unit. Next example. Now in the previous sum, to find bigger area, what is the area of the circle pi r square? So r square 4 pi, this is total area. So if there is a question that find bigger, then we have to subtract smaller area from 4 pi. So 4 pi minus pi minus 2, this will be the area of the remaining bigger portion. This is the bigger portion. So if there is a change in the question that find the area of the bigger portion, then from total area we have, according to pi r square 4 pi, so we will find area of smaller area, and from the total area 4 pi, if we subtract smaller area, then area of the bigger portion, it will be 3 pi plus 2. Now second question, find area lying between the curve y square equal to 4x and y equal to 2x. Solution. So first we solve two equation, y square equal to 4x and y equal to 2x. Say equation 1, 2. So solving 1 and 2, we get coordinates of point of intersection as 1 is 0, 0. Reason is clear because constant term is absent in both the equations. So both curve passing through 0, 0. So one point of intersection it is 0, 0 and another will be 1, 2 because y square equal to 4. This is from equation 1 and from equation y by 2 equal to x. Comparing both x, so y square by 4 equal to y by 2. So y coordinates will be 2 and if we put y coordinates to here, x will be 1. So second it is 1, 2. Now y square equal to 4x parabola. Square is always positive, so x is always positive. X axis, y axis. This is y square equal to 4x and y equal to 2x. So this is the line y equal to 2x. Constant term is absent, so line passing through origin and slope is 2. So slope is positive, that means line makes an angle less than 92 because slope is positive. So according to formula A to B, f1x minus f2x dx. Here limit 0 to, here coordinates A 1, 2. So 0 to 1. So I equal to A equal to mod I A to B f1x minus f2x dx. So limit will be 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Y as a function of x from the parabola, y as a function of x. Here y as a function of x. So 2 root x. Y square equal to 4x. So y equal to 2 root x minus f2x. So from the equation of line y equal to 2x minus 2x dx. So now this is x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus x square limit 0 to 1 integration 2x x square by 2, so 2 cancel. So this is 4 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2 minus x square limit 0 to 1. First put upper limit minus put lower limit. So 4 minus 3, so 1 by 3 square unit. So 1 by 3 square unit is the answer. Third example, find the area under given curves and given lines. First one, y equal to x square, that is parabola, x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x axis. So y equal to x square is positive, so y is always positive. So parabola lies in the first and second quadrant. X axis, y axis, y equal to x square, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. So area parabola x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x axis. So we have to find area of this portion. So now we will use formula. If y equal to f of x, x equal to a, x equal to b and x axis a to b y dx, we will use this formula. So required area a to b, limit will be 1 to 2, 1 to 2, y dx, y means x square dx. So this is x cube by 3, (1 to 2). First put upper limit x equal to 2, so 8 by 3 minus put lower limit 1 by 3 square unit. So final answer it will be 7 by 3 square unit. Now second example, same type of example. So you can solve it. Only curve is y equal to x raised to 4, x equal to 1, x equal to 5 and bounded by x axis. So area will be 1 to 5, 1 to 5, x raised to 4 dx. So you can complete this one in homework. So answer it will be 3124 by 5 square unit will be the required area. Next example, find the area between the curves y equal to x and y equal to x square. Solution. So y equal to x square. X square is positive, y positive. So parabola lies in the first and second quadrant because y is positive. So this is x axis. Y equal to x means line passing through origin and making 45 degree with positive direction of x axis. This is the line y equal to x. As usual, this is origin 0, 0 and this is y equal to x square. When we solve these two equations, we will get coordinates of point of intersection a1, 1. So we have to find area of this portion. So two curves intersect each other into, say, two curves y equal to f1x, y equal to f1x and y equal to f2x. Two curves intersect each other into x equal to a, x equal to b. Then area of this portion, it is, we know, given by the formula a to b f1x minus f2x dx. So when we use first f1x, we will get entire area, this entire area, and minus f2x. So we will subtract this portion. So remaining will be the portion which is intersection of these two curves. So now let us find area using this formula. So a equal to mod I a to b f1x minus f2x dx. As usual, limit will be 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Y as a function of x. So from this equation, straight line y equal to x minus y equal to f2x. second curve, it is from the parabola. So x minus x square, second curve f2x is parabola. So this is f1x and this is f2x, y equal to x square, parabola. So now we can integrate this one easily. X square by 2, x cube by 3, first put upper limit minus lower limit. So 1/2 minus 1 by 3. In the case of lower limit x is 0. So now final answer will be 1 by 6 square unit. This is the required area. Next one. Find the area of the region lying in the first quadrant and bounded by y equal to 4x square, that is parabola, x equal to 0, that is y axis, y equal to 1 and y equal to 4. So let us discuss solution. Now y equal to 4x square, x square is positive, so y is positive. Y is positive, so parabola lies in the first and second quadrant in which y is positive. So we have parabola of the form x axis, y axis, y equal to 1, horizontal line, y equal to 4, so now we have to get area of this portion. So x as a function of y, this is x equal to g1y. We will use this formula. C2D x dy I equal to, this is y equal to 1, y equal to 4, this is parabola y equal to 4x square, so x equal to root y by 2 in the first quadrant, so x is positive, so this is x equal to y equal to 1, y equal to 4 and x equal to 0, that is y axis. So we will get area of this portion, and we will use, as we have discussed, we will find area of this portion. So required area according to A equal to mod I C2D x dy, x as a function of y from this parabola, x equal to root y by 2, limit C2D means 1 to 4, so 1 to 4, x as a function of y, so x equal to root y by 2, root y by 2 dy. Now 1/2 is constant, y raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, 1 to 4, so this is 1 by 3, first put upper limit, 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus lower limit y equal to 1. So when we simplify, this is 1 by 3, 4 raised to 3 by 2, it is 2 square, 3 by 2, so this is 2 cube, 8, so this is 8 minus 1, so 7 by 3 square unit is the required area.